Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Hope you all doing good. Today I'll share with you a breakfast recipe. I'm going to make paratha, but it's not a normal one. It's a trending Chinese paratha, or you can call string paratha. And a tasty side dish for paratha beef gravy recipe is also included. Hope you'll enjoy it. Keep watching. First, let's make the paratha dough. I'm taking 3 cups of all-purpose flour for 8 paratha. In a flat plate, taking 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon sugar, mix it well. Take 1.5 cups of water in the same measuring cup used for taking all-purpose flour. This much water may not be needed. And add 1 teaspoon salt and mix it together. Add the water little by little and make the dough. We may need water more than what we need for chapati. Anyway, water quantity is depend on quality of your flour. Mix little by little and take water enough to make it into a dough. For 3 cups of flour, I have taken exactly 1.25 cup of water. It's sticking to the hand. The next steps are the most important part of the parotta making. You have to knead well to get a soft parotta. If it is not kneaded well, the parotta will be neither soft nor tasty. So knead well. Knead around 10 to 12 minutes or till its color changes. We have to press with hand and elongate it. Only then the parotta will get the required softness. So the dough is ready. The color has changed and it's very soft. Take a bowl, spread some oil on it. Keep the dough in it and pour some oil over it. And again spread it. Cover with a plate, rest it for minimum 2 to 3 hours. If you keep it for more time, the parotta will become softer. Meanwhile, we'll prepare beef gravy. Here I'm taking 750 grams beef with bone. For that, taking 1 onion, 1 tomato, 3 to 4 green chillies, a piece of ginger, 7 to 8 garlic, and some shallots for tempering. Chop the onion, green chillies and tomato. Grind ginger and garlic into a coarse paste. In a large bowl, add beef, add chopped onion and half of the chopped green chillies and tomato. half of the ginger garlic paste. Add some curry leaves and pandan leaves. It's completely optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. Now add spices: 4 to 5 crushed cardamoms, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, and add some salt. It's a homemade curry powder, adding 2.5 tablespoons. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, mix it together well combined. Keep aside. Heating my clay pot on medium flame, add 2 to 3 tablespoons coconut oil. Goes in whole spices: 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cardamoms, and a bay leaf. Then add chopped shallots, saute well till you get a nice golden color. Adding the remaining ginger garlic paste, saute till the raw smell is gone. Some curry leaves. Adding remaining chopped green chillies and tomato, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, saute for a minute. Goes in half teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Saute until the raw smell is gone. After that, add marinated beef and immediately cover the pot. Then add 1 cup of hot water, mix it. Cover and cook till gravy has thick consistency as you desire. Mix it frequently and check the salt. This consistency is perfect for me. Turn off the heat and our so tastiest beef gravy is done. This is a good combination with paratha. Also, it goes well with ghee rice, appam, puttu and chapati. It's paratha making time. After 2 to 3 hours, the dough has to be stretchy like this. It's very soft and stretchy. We shouldn't knead the dough after spreading oil, just roll it. Cutting it into 8 equal pieces because it has so many layers, so each piece has to be layer in size for the parotta. Take each bowl and roll it inwards like this. We are doing it like this to make the outer part smooth. Repeat the same for every ball. After doing all the balls, we have to keep it aside for 15 minutes. Again, keep it in a bowl, spread some oil, cover it, rest for 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes is enough. Don't forget any of these steps while making parottas. It has become very soft after 15 minutes. Take one bowl, grease the working place. We have to flatten it. Press it using our palm and make it into a sheet-like foam. We have to add sufficient oil and smoothen it very well. Cut it into strips using a knife. Now roll it like this from both sides. We want lots of oil in this recipe. Never think we will get the parotta perfect without oil. Roll it from both sides and stretch it like this. Stretch it softly else it might break. Again roll it from both sides like this. Keep one part over the other and press it slightly, set it aside. Repeating the same with the second one. If it's not becoming smooth when we flatten, it means we didn't knead it properly. Using a sharp knife. Grease the rolling pin, flat the dough. We flatten it thickly and not too thin. It's to get more layers. Spread some oil on the pan, add the parottas, keep the pan over medium flame. Spread oil over the parotta just after adding the pan. Remember to flip it just after adding to the pan, else the top portion will be dry. When both sides are almost cooked, flip it repeatedly. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes and our parotta is ready. Always keep it in a casserole. Taking 4 parattas, crushing them using clapping motion. Don't crush it while it's too hot. See how perfect it is. I'm going to serve our Chinese parotta with a beef gravy. That's all for today. Hope you'd like it. Hope you'll give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more new updates. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. And this is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.